Mathematics for Grade 6 Video tutorial by Kuflom Mabrahtu. Introduction. First of all, I would like to give praise to my Lord who gave me health and strength to prepare such video tutorial. Next, I would like to give thanks to my dear wife, parents and my children who encouraged me and tolerated me in their time. This video tutorial is prepared for grade 6 students. Its main objective is to give additional class in home, so that they can master the subject by repeating the class privately. Parents should encourage their children to work the exercises, keep them from wasting their time in other unnecessary games, and to go to libraries and read more books. Knowledge is power. Chapter 1 Quantity and Price. Have you ever eaten cakes? Where did you bought cakes? Cake is a sweet food, most of the time used in celebrations. Here there are 5 kinds of cakes. As you see here, we do have 5 kinds of different cakes. Example: Mr. Ahmed and Mr. Haila bought 10 cakes of the same kind for their kids. They paid 200 nafa and got 40 nafa of change. Find the cost of each cake. How much does each of them have to pay if Mr. Ahmed is to pay for 6 cakes and Mr. Haila for 4 cakes? Solution. Let the price of the cake is C. Let us say the price of each cake is C. Then 10 cakes times the price of each cake plus the 40 change is equal to 200. That is 10 times C plus 40 must be equal to 200. 10 times C is 10C is equal to 200 minus 40. Here the 40 was positive. After it is transferred to the right side, then it became negative 40. Then 10C is equal to 160. 200 minus 40 is 160. Now divide both sides by 10. 10C divided by 10 is C is equal to 160 divided by 10 is 16. C is equal to 16 nafa. The price of each cake is 16 nafa. If Mr. Ahmed is going to pay for the 6 cakes, then 6 times the price of each cake, which is C, is 6 times 16. 6 times 16 is 96 nafa. And Mr. Haile is going to pay for 4 cakes. 4 times C, that is 4 times 16, is equal to 64 nafa. Now let's demonstrate the number of cakes and its price graphically. First, let us prepare a table. For 1 cake, its price is 16. For 2 cakes, its price is 32. For 3 cakes, its price is 48. For 4 cakes, its price is 64, and so on. Now the graph of the relationship between the number of cakes and the price of the cakes looks like this one. The horizontal represents for the number of cakes, and the vertical represents the price of the cake. For one cake, its price is 16. For 2 cakes, its price is 32. For 3 cakes, its price is 48. For 5 cakes, its price will be here. It will be 80. As the number of cakes you buy increase, then the price also will increase.